11 Next-level survival gear and gadgets on Amazon. Looking for top-notch survival gear? Amazon offers a wide range of next-level survival gadgets designed to enhance your preparedness. From multi-tools to high-tech devices, these 11 must-have items are perfect for outdoor enthusiasts and emergency planners alike. Let's dive into the gear that can take your survival game to the next level. Eton Solar Radio. Let's kick things off with the Eton Solar Radio, a must-have for anyone who needs to stay informed when off the grid. Picture this: you're deep in the woods or on a camping trip, and the weather takes a dangerous turn. The storm clouds are rolling in, and you have no clue if a flash flood or severe storm is coming. That's where the Eton Solar Radio comes in. This radio can run on solar power, meaning you never have to worry about batteries. It also features an emergency weather band, giving you real-time alerts about disasters or other crucial updates, even when you're far from civilization. It's a reliable way to tune into local broadcasts, ensuring that you're not caught off guard by an emergency. And hey, if you're out of battery on your phone, this radio even features a USB charging port to give your device a quick boost. Imagine having that kind of peace of mind while you're out exploring, knowing that you can stay in touch with the outside world. Smatry Solar Battery Pack. Next up, the Smatry Solar Battery Pack. Because no one wants to find themselves in the middle of nowhere with a dead phone, camera, or GPS device. We've all been there, right? You're out hiking, taking pictures, or navigating your route when suddenly your phone dies and you're left feeling completely disconnected. The Smatry Solar Battery Pack is the solution to that problem. This portable charger allows you to harness the power of the sun, charging up your devices even when you're far from a power outlet. It's lightweight, compact, and comes with a durable, water-resistant design, so it can handle the rugged conditions of any outdoor environment. Whether you're using it to keep your phone juiced up for emergency calls or to power your GPS system, this solar-powered pack is a lifesaver. And with its multiple USB ports, you can charge more than one device at a time. Perfect for family trips or group adventures. Flint and Steel Fire Starter Kit. We all know how important it is to stay warm and cook food in a survival situation. But what happens when you don't have matches or a lighter? Enter the Flint and Steel Fire Starter Kit. This simple yet effective tool allows you to start a fire in the harshest of conditions, including wet or windy weather. The fire starter works by striking steel against flint to produce sparks that ignite dry tinder, allowing you to create a fire to warm up, cook food, or signal for help. It's incredibly compact and lightweight, fitting easily into your backpack or emergency kit without taking up much space. It's also much more reliable than matches, which can get wet and stop working, or lighters that can run out of fuel. With the Flint and Steel Fire Starter Kit, you have a tool that doesn't rely on external factors, just a little spark and a whole lot of survival power. Primus Gas Stove. For those who love to camp but don't want to give up the comfort of a hot meal, the Primus Gas Stove is the perfect solution. Compact, lightweight, and incredibly efficient, this stove packs a punch when it comes to cooking in outdoor settings. Powered by gas canisters, it offers a quick and reliable cooking solution, whether you're boiling water for coffee or preparing a full meal in the backcountry. The stove is designed to be stable and easy to use, with a sturdy base that can support large pots and pans. Its compact size means it won't take up much room in your backpack. But don't let that fool you. It's got the power to cook up your favorite meals in the middle of the wilderness. The Primus Gas Stove also has a built-in windscreen, which helps protect the flame from gusts, ensuring that your cooking time is efficient even in windy conditions. Leatherman Skeletool. Next up is the Leatherman Skeletool, a multi-tool that has become a favorite for outdoor enthusiasts, hikers, and campers alike. This lightweight yet incredibly durable tool combines all the essential functions you need: pliers, a knife, a screwdriver, a bottle opener, and more, into one sleek design. What sets the Skeletool apart is its minimalist approach. It offers the features you need without the bulk, making it ideal for those who want a reliable, compact tool that won't weigh them down. The stainless steel construction ensures durability, while the ergonomic design allows for a comfortable grip. Whether you're fixing gear, preparing food, or handling an emergency situation, the Leatherman Skeletool is the ultimate companion. Katadyn Water Purifier. Water is one of the most important elements of survival, but finding clean drinking water in the wild isn't always as easy as tipping your cup into a stream. That's where the Katadyn Water Purifier comes in. This device allows you to filter and purify water from lakes, rivers, and streams, making it safe to drink, no matter where you are. The Katadyn water purifier uses advanced filtration technology to remove harmful bacteria, viruses, and protozoa from the water, ensuring that you stay hydrated and healthy while out in the wild. It's compact, lightweight, and easy to use. Just fill it up with questionable water, pump the handle, and you've got clean water in no time. In survival situations, water is a top priority, and with the Katadyn water purifier, you can be confident that you'll never go thirsty, no matter how remote your location is. LifeProof Waterproof Phone Case. Next, let's talk about the LifeProof Waterproof Phone Case, because let's face it, in today's world, your phone is practically your lifeline. But what happens when it takes a dip in a river or gets caught in a rainstorm? The LifeProof Waterproof Phone Case ensures that your phone stays safe and dry, even in the harshest conditions. It offers full protection from water, snow, dirt, and drops, allowing you to take your phone on all your adventures without worrying about damage. Whether you're kayaking down a river, hiking in a rainstorm, or just want peace of mind during your outdoor activities, this case keeps your device secure. And it's not just about protecting your phone from the elements. This case also allows you to use your phone's touch screen and camera, so you can capture those breathtaking moments without the fear of ruining your device. Viva Survival Shelter. When it comes to survival, shelter is just as important as food and water. And the Viva Survival Shelter is designed to keep you safe in even the most extreme conditions. This compact and highly durable shelter is designed to protect you from the elements, whether you're facing freezing temperatures, heavy rain, or intense winds. The Viva shelter is built to withstand harsh weather, with its waterproof, fire-resistant, and insulated materials keeping you warm and dry. It's also incredibly easy to set up, so you can have protection in minutes, even if you're in a panic or running out of daylight. Whether you're caught in an unexpected storm or just need a temporary refuge, the Viva Survival Shelter ensures that you're always protected from the elements. It's a lightweight, portable solution for ensuring your safety in an emergency situation. Rofco Tactical Gear. When it comes to tactical gear, Rofco is a brand that's known for durability and functionality. Their survival gear lineup is filled with high-quality items designed to make your life easier during an emergency or while in the field. From backpacks to tactical vests, boots, and belts, Rofco has something for every survival need. The gear is designed for rugged environments, with tough military-grade materials that can handle extreme conditions. Their products are built to last, ensuring that you'll have reliable gear when you need it most. Whether you're in a survival situation or just out on a tactical mission, Rofco has the equipment to keep you equipped and ready for anything. Surviveware First Aid Kit. Last but definitely not least, the Surviveware First Aid Kit. In any survival scenario, injuries are a real risk, and having a well-equipped first aid kit could make all the difference. The Surviveware First Aid Kit is packed with everything you might need to treat common injuries, from cuts and scrapes to more serious wounds. The kit is organized and easy to use, with labeled compartments so you can quickly find what you need in an emergency. It's also lightweight and portable, making it perfect for hiking, camping, or even keeping in your car for emergencies. With high-quality medical supplies like bandages, gauze, and antiseptics, this kit ensures that you're prepared to handle any injury that comes your way. Whether you're dealing with a minor scrape or a more serious injury, the Surviveware First Aid Kit is an essential part of your survival gear. That's a wrap on the essential survival gear from Amazon. From solar radios to first aid kits, these items could be lifesavers. Like this video if it helped, and subscribe for more gear reviews. Used any of these? Drop a comment below. Stay tuned for more outdoor survival gear in our next video. Thanks for watching and stay safe.